What's up, Bebe Loves, and welcome back to our channel. Of course, my name is Rhea, and always with me is
your husband Lego.
Yeah, so for today's video, we will going to tour you around underground storage room of parents.
Yes, this is some interesting place that I never saw in the Philippines. And you see my love already in gloves because it's kind of cold. It's a little bit cold because it's just autumn.
It's already
yeah, but because it's autumn time, it's time to save some food for winter time, and we are keeping this food in underground storage that we will show you, and this will help us.
Our mama. Mama will help us.
Yeah, she prepared some pepper for winter time that my love likes to eat.
This is actually my favorite. That's why Mama made this.
Yeah, look
Pepper
how
rice.
many pepper we saved for pepper rice, for dish pepper rice. And we are going down.
Let's go. There you go. Welcome to Parents Underground Storage Room. It's freezing cold here.
It's only... Сколько у нас тут градусов?
Have aircon or hot?
Примерно.
Сейчас плюс 10, наверное, зимой плюс 5.
It's around plus 10 degrees now here, but during winter time it's around plus 5.
Wow. It's freezing.
But it's only but it's always same temperature. Что у тебя тут есть?
Картошка.
Patatas.
Oh, different
Potato.
kinds of potatoes.
We have
Да,
some
фиш
pink,
разная.
white.
A block.
This one is red.
Black.
This one black.
It's like a mote. Look, guys. I actually don't like cherries, but this one I like. What Mama made. It's a juice. Cherries juice. Oh, this is my favorite juice actually. Look, Mama made a lot here. This is a jam for our bread.
Сок.
It's
Also juice.
juice of
Чего?
Виноград?
Grapes.
oh, it's a grape juice. Oh, raspberry. Of course, my favorite. Mama made this, especially for me. This is pepper. So soon we will make again pepper rice. We will also show you how to make
Да,
pepper rice.
заготовка.
It's my favorite, Mama.
What is this? What do you think?
Tomatoes.
Да, там.
This is tomato juice.
Wow.
If you will shake it, it will be like.
Это
See?
сок, да.
Wow. Looks good. And have here. Oh my God! I think we will finish tomorrow if we will do it one by one.
Cucumber.
This one cucumber. This is actually my new favorite. I never liked cucumber, but this one I like. It tastes like mango, green mango.
Она говорит как этот зеленый манго.
Mama, to be honest, I hate cucumber.
Она не любит огурец, но этот кушает.
But now Lubish. Papa is also making one in the kitchen, right, Mama?
Yeah, Papa making new wine from new grapes. I love so excited, but she don't drink. She doesn't drink.
Папа
I will
делает.
try. Favorite.
Зимой будет что кушать.
Yeah, during winter time we will have what to eat.
Yay!
С голоду точно не умрем.
Food is life.
Спасибо большое, Mama.
Будем кушать картошку.
We will eat
Yeah, this
potatoes.
is, actually, guys, in Ukraine, potato is their main.
Potato and bread.
Yeah, it's like rice. And for us Filipinos, Mama will like to eat rice. Here, kartushka.
У нас картошка.
Potato. Yeah, so
It's a bit cold, we need to go.
yeah, so that's all. We will do more tour someday.
Ходим,
Medyo
ходим, ходим.
cold. Ooh, очень
Холодно.
холодно. Yeah, it seems like have aircon here.
Похоже, как будто здесь
It's very
кондиционер.
cold. No need to put in ref because it's all like
Да,
this.
не нужно в холодильник
Спасибо
ставить.
большое, мама, for bringing us
Это
here.
наш холодильник.
It's like our big ref.
Very big ref. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Hope you enjoy our quick tour inside parents' underground storage.
У нас
Food storage
У
room.
нас так принято.
Yeah, it's our tradition to have some extra food for winter.
Yes, so soon, Mama. Winter will be soon. Now it's autumn.
Скоро будет зима.
Да.
So thank you so much, everyone. Hope to see you in the next video. Love you all. Please subscribe, comment.
Lego is here.
Все, что было свежее, все в баночках.
Everything what we have fresh now we put to the jars and waiting for winter.
Yes, thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye. Love you all.